Thai street food market. This market is located nearby the statue of the three-headed elephant. You can reach to this market by the SkyTrain, the Green Line. Inside the market, supposed to be like the local market that the local people will go to enjoy with the ready-made food, selling so many kinds of the food. As you see in this video, this one is like the grill bowl. For this shop, they are selling like a grilled pork with the curry paste and the chicken boiling in the fish sauce. And this one is a pork leg and crispy pork with the sticky rice. This one is supposed to be like the meat barbecue, also the European food like a pizza. This one is just like a seafood sausage. Also, the local food is a chili paste with the fried fermented fish. This is a salad with the chicken feet or the chicken wing. And this one is like a grilled pork with rice. This is a boiled rice with the chopped pork. This is a Hainan chicken rice. Some operate with a small sushi in a very reasonable price. This is a crepe together with a sausage. Dry noodle mixed already and put it in the pack. This is a fly fish bowl, small hamburger, and this is a Thai local dessert together with the coconut milk. This is like a crispy noodle and also the roast duck chop. These are selling with the rice in the box for 50 baht. And Thai local desserts, crispy pork flying together with the sticky rice is very popular.